If you struggle to remember names, constantly misplace your keys, or walk into a room and forget why you're there, the solution might be simpler than you think. 3 specific foods could restore the mental sharpness you thought was gone forever. Today, you'll discover all 3. Memory decline after 60 isn't inevitable. What you eat directly affects your brain's ability to form new memories and maintain mental clarity. Research from Rush University shows that specific foods can reduce cognitive decline by up to 53% and significantly improve memory function in seniors. Your brain uses 20% of your body's total energy, despite being only 2% of your body weight. The foods you choose either fuel optimal brain function or contribute to inflammation and decline. Before we dive in, where are you watching this from? And what's your age? Drop it in the comments below. Now, let me reveal the 3 most powerful foods for boosting your memory, starting with number 3. Food number 3. Your brain cells face constant attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cell structures and accelerate aging. This oxidative stress is a primary driver of memory decline. Leafy green vegetables provide powerful antioxidants that protect your brain cells from this damage while supporting neurotransmitter production, essential for memory formation. After 60, your brain's natural antioxidant defenses weaken, making dietary antioxidants more critical. Without adequate protection, free radicals damage brain cell structures, disrupting communication between neurons and impairing your ability to form and recall memories. Leafy greens act as a shield, protecting your brain's architecture. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard contain vitamin K, crucial for forming sphingolipids, fats densely packed into brain cell membranes. Higher vitamin K intake directly associates with better memory and cognitive function. Without sufficient vitamin K, brain cells can't maintain structural integrity. These greens are rich in folate, a B vitamin that supports neurotransmitter function and reduces homocysteine, an amino acid toxic to brain cells at high levels. Elevated homocysteine strongly links to cognitive decline and dementia risk. Folate keeps it in check. Leafy greens also provide lutein and beta-carotene, antioxidants that accumulate in brain regions responsible for memory and learning, where they neutralize free radicals and support neural communication. A 2024 study in neurology followed 960 seniors for 5 years. Those who consumed at least 1 serving of leafy greens daily showed cognitive abilities equivalent to people 11 years younger compared to those who rarely ate greens. Just 1 daily serving slowed cognitive decline by 53%. Brain imaging revealed regular consumers had significantly greater gray matter volume in memory-critical regions. Columbia University researchers in 2023 found that seniors with superior memory had markedly higher blood levels of vitamin K and lutein, both abundant in leafy greens. These nutrients directly support the brain's capacity to form and retrieve memories. Tonight, add a generous handful of spinach or kale to your dinner. Aim for 1 cup of raw greens or half a cup cooked daily. Add olive oil when cooking, as healthy fat helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins. If you dislike the taste, blend spinach into a fruit smoothie. You won't taste it, but your brain benefits. Make this daily, and notice improved mental clarity within 2 weeks. Leafy greens provide essential protection, but your brain needs specific fats for optimal function. The second food addresses this. Food number 2. Your brain is nearly 60% fat by dry weight. The specific fats you consume fundamentally determine brain structure and function. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish are essential building blocks for brain cell membranes, the barriers controlling what enters and exits each neuron. Without adequate omega-3s, brain cell membranes become rigid and inflexible, impairing signal transmission between neurons and slowing thinking, memory formation, and recall. As we age, brain omega-3 content naturally declines, and bodies become less efficient at incorporating omega-3s into brain tissue, making dietary intake crucial after 60. Omega-3s powerfully reduce neuroinflammation, chronic low-grade brain inflammation, now recognized as a major driver of cognitive decline and memory loss. Fatty fish provides potent natural anti-inflammatory compounds for brain tissue, calming this inflammation and creating an environment where neurons thrive. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout contain two critical omega-3s your body cannot produce, EPA and DHA. DHA makes up a significant portion of brain gray matter and concentrates in areas responsible for memory and learning, especially the hippocampus. Every brain cell membrane contains DHA, and maintaining adequate levels is essential for optimal cognitive function. These omega-3s support new brain cell growth through neurogenesis, which continues in older adults under the right nutritional conditions. They also enhance brain-derived neurotrophic factor production, a protein that acts like fertilizer for neurons, promoting growth, survival, and new connection formation. Fatty fish provides substantial vitamin D and B vitamins, both important for cognitive health. The nutrient combination creates synergistic brain protective effects that isolated supplements struggle to replicate. A 2024 meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition examined 28 studies involving over 180,000 participants. Seniors consuming fatty fish at least twice weekly had 20% lower risk of cognitive decline and significantly better memory test performance compared to those who rarely ate fish. Brain scans revealed regular fish consumers had larger hippocampal volumes, critical for forming and storing memories. University of Pittsburgh research in 2023 measured actual brain tissue omega-3 levels in seniors. Those with highest DHA levels performed 15% better on memory tests and showed 7% larger brain volumes in memory-related regions. Dietary intake from whole fish, not supplementation, produced the most significant benefits. This week, plan 2 fatty fish meals. Aim for 3 to 4 ounces per serving, twice weekly. Wild-caught salmon is ideal, but canned sardines or mackerel work equally well and cost less. Simple preparation. Place salmon on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, add lemon and herbs, bake at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. For plant-based diets, combine 2 tablespoons ground flax seeds daily with a 1/4 cup walnuts or 2 tablespoons chia seeds for comparable omega-3 benefits, though plant sources require higher amounts. You've added brain-protective greens and essential omega-3 fats. The number one food completes the picture by directly enhancing memory formation. Food number 1. Berries are nature's most potent brain-protecting food, containing unique compounds that actually reverse aspects of brain aging. Unlike foods that simply prevent damage, berries actively improve brain function even in people experiencing memory problems. Flavonoids in berries cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in brain regions responsible for learning and memory. These compounds reduce neuroinflammation, enhance communication between brain cells by improving synaptic efficiency, and promote neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to form new connections. Perhaps most importantly, berries activate cellular cleanup mechanisms. As we age, damaged proteins and debris accumulate in brain tissue. Berries stimulate autophagy, where cells break down and recycle this waste, essentially deep cleaning your brain to restore efficient function. Berries, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are loaded with anthocyanins, flavonoids giving berries their vibrant colors. These powerful antioxidants neutralize free radicals attacking brain cells, but their benefits extend beyond antioxidant activity. Anthocyanins directly influence gene expression in brain cells, turning on genes promoting neuron survival and turning off genes contributing to inflammation and cell death. Berries contain resveratrol, quercetin, and other polyphenols working synergistically with anthocyanins. These improve brain blood flow by enhancing blood vessel wall flexibility, ensuring adequate oxygen and nutrient delivery. Better blood flow means better cognitive performance, sharper memory, and faster thinking. Berries specifically impact brain cell signaling, enhancing existing neuron function and supporting new neuron birth in the hippocampus. This neurogenesis, once thought impossible in adults, continues throughout life with the right nutritional signals. Berries provide those exact signals, directly strengthening your capacity to form and retrieve memories. A 2024 Harvard Medical School study followed 16,000 women over 20 years. Women consuming berries at least twice weekly showed cognitive aging delayed by up to 2.5 years compared to those eating berries infrequently. The protective effect was dose-dependent, meaning more frequent consumption produced greater benefits. A 2023 intervention study in the Journal of Nutritional Neuroscience had seniors with mild memory complaints consume 1 cup of blueberries daily for 12 weeks. Participants showed significant improvements in memory tasks, word recall, and learning ability compared to a control group. Brain imaging revealed increased activity in memory-related regions. Berries actively improve memory function even in those already experiencing problems. University of Cincinnati research in 2024 demonstrated berry consumption improves brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels by 23% in regular consumers. This protein promotes brain cell growth, survival, and new connection formation, all essential for maintaining and improving memory. Tomorrow morning, add at least half a cup of mixed berries to your breakfast in oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie. Fresh or frozen berries provide equal benefits. Aim for 1 cup daily going forward. Keep washed berries in your refrigerator for convenient snacking. For maximum benefit, eat berries with healthy fat like nuts or yogurt, enhancing absorption of beneficial compounds. Make this a daily habit for the next month, and notice if thinking feels sharper and recall improves. When you combine all three foods, leafy greens, fatty fish, and berries, you create comprehensive brain protection addressing multiple pathways of cognitive decline simultaneously. Greens provide antioxidants and vitamin K for cellular structure. Fish supplies essential omega-3 fats, building brain tissue and reducing inflammation. Berries deliver flavonoids enhancing neuron communication and promoting neuroplasticity. A 2024 Rush University study examined seniors following the Mindy diet, emphasizing these exact foods. Participants adhering closely showed cognitive function equivalent to being 7.5 years younger compared to those with poor dietary habits. The synergy is powerful. Omega-3s from fish improve absorption and utilization of antioxidants from greens and berries. The anti-inflammatory effects of all three create an environment where your brain repairs damage and functions optimally. Consistency matters more than perfection. Your memory doesn't have to fade with age. When you consistently eat leafy greens, fatty fish, and berries, you give your brain exactly what it needs to form new memories, protect existing ones, and maintain sharpness. Start this week. Add greens daily. Plan 2 fish meals. Eat berries every morning. Within weeks, you might notice names coming easier and memories feeling clearer.